Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have the top 10 Jamaican male dancehall artists of 2025, including both established icons and breakout stars dominating the charts this year. Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us. Dancehall remains the heartbeat of Jamaican music, and in 2025 the genre is thriving with a powerful mix of legends and new generation stars. From street anthems to global hits, these artists are shaping the sound, culture, and conversation around dancehall right now. The soundtrack of Jamaica in 2025 continues to evolve, old legends remain influential while new voices reshape the sound of dancehall. Here's our definitive roundup of the male artists defining the genre this year. Top 10 Jamaican male dancehall artists dominating 2025. Let's count down from 10 to 1. Number 10. Valiant, dancehall's viral trailblazer. Valiant's charismatic delivery and social media traction have made him one of 2025's most talked about artists. From summer anthems to viral moments. Number 9. DJ Mac, the Vybz curator. DJ Mac's presence in Jamaica's music scene has grown thanks to strong streaming figures and popular releases that continue to keep dancehall fully plugged into club and street culture. Number 8. Popcaan, the global ambassador. Popcaan's fusion of dancehall with international sounds keeps him in the conversation globally. In 2025, he remains one of Jamaica's most recognized and streamed artists. Number 7. Jamal, new school energy. With multiple tracks making waves locally and significant YouTube views, Jamal represents the new school of dancehall talent blending raw energy with creative flow. Number 6. Alkaline, veteran with staying power. Alkaline continues to impress with both lyrical skill and cultural relevance, maintaining a strong presence on streaming charts and influencing a new generation of DJs. Number 5. Masika, consistent hitmaker. Masika's ability to blend hard-hitting dancehall with catchy hooks keeps him in heavy rotation. Songs like Rich Sex were among Jamaica's most viewed tracks of summer 2025. Number 4. Squash, rising powerhouse. Squash has emerged as a serious force in the scene, with strong streaming numbers that place him consistently among Jamaica's top-listened artists this year. Number 3. Vybz Kartel, the world boss still reigning. No list is complete without Vybz Kartel. Back in full force, the legendary artist continues to release high-impact music and remains one of the most watched and discussed performers in dancehall worldwide. Number 2. Skippa, dancehall's year's breakout. Skippa's momentum this year has been undeniable. Multiple hits like 10 Past 2 are climbing charts and solidifying him as one of dancehall's most versatile and exciting new voices in 2025. Number 1. Chronic Law, the most streamed artist in Jamaica. Chronic Law has taken 2025 by storm, dethroning long-standing frontrunners to become Jamaica's most streamed dancehall artist on Spotify this year. Known for gritty lyrics and street-savvy delivery, tracks like NY Girls have cemented his dominance on both streaming and YouTube charts. He rounds out our top 10. Honorable mentions. A few other artists are also worth watching this year. Faya Verse, blending dancehall with socially conscious themes and crossover appeal. Sean Paul, the international icon still drawing attention through music and philanthropy in 2025. Why these artists matter in 2025. Dancehall in 2025 is a mix of classic firepower and fresh innovation. Veterans like Kartel and Alkaline keep the genre rooted in its foundations, while artists like Chronic Law and Skippa push it forward with new sounds and major streaming numbers. The scene remains vibrant, diverse, and globally influential, a true reflection of Jamaica's cultural heartbeat. Do you agree with our list? Who would you add or remove? Drop your top 5 Jamaican dancehall artists of 2025 in the comments. Who do you think should be number 1? Drop your list in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more dancehall and Jamaican culture content. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel.